Singh, your SST teacher, and I am going to explain about the hot desert region. Student, I have already explained about the desert region. Today, I will explain of the plant life in the desert region. Plant find it difficult to grow in desert due to the lack of water. In desert region, there is no water found in this region, so the plants life are hardly found in this region. The plant that do manage to grow here are hardy plant that had adapted the desert condition. Only those plants are grow which are adopted the condition in this region, like cactus. You will see here that they have the thicker leaves and thorny stems. Okay, some plants have thick stem that store waters. The plants which have thick stems that they store water in their stems. The leaves of desert plant usually have waxy coating. As you seen here, the leaves of the desert plants have waxy and coating reduce the thorn. This help reduce water loss from leaves. Okay, some plants that grow like cactus have wide network of root close to surface. Cactus or acacia that plant are go to the surface of the earth. This allows them absorb the rain quickly. Other plants like acacia have long roots that reach water source deep below the ground. Okay. Next, trees like date palm grow around the oasis. Palm tree mostly grow in near the oasis, and oasis is a place in the earth where fresh water from spring or well comes up the surface supporting growth of plants. As you seen here, this is a oasis, and the palm tree are found in that region, that is called, okay, because they are grow with the help of water of oasis. And other cactus is a important plant life in the desert region. They have leaves not reduce the spines. Okay, next is animal life. As you read in the plant life, there are three uh, four levels of forest in the equatorial region, but here the most of the desert region is not found in the trees, so they are hardly found in this region. Snakes, lizard, fox and variety of insects and birds are found in the hot desert region of the world. Snakes, lizard, different types of snakes, foxes, lizards and insects and birds are found in the desert region. To escape the heat, many of them rest in shady places. Many animals rest in shady places due to the escape to heat, like under stone burrows during the days. Once come out hunt these. Okay, like snakes, fox and kites which are fly in the sky to escape from the heat, and the fox which live in burrow. Okay, and they only come out at night to catch hunt. Okay, for thousands of years camels have been main means of transport for people living in the desert region. Only a camel is an animal which are used to transport, and these animals is very suitable for the desert region. This is also known as sheep of desert. The camel is especially well adapted to life in the desert. The camel is an animal which adopted the desert life. It's store in hump water its body only. The camel which store their water in their hump and used to consume these water or foods by the hump for a long time. This helps travel for day without water or food. Its feet are large and flat. The feet of camels is large and flat, so can they can cover the long distance in sand. It has a small nose, gistril, and two rows of eye slash help keep us sand out its nose and eyes. The nose of camels is very small, but it has two eyelashes which cover their eyes and escape from dust in the desert region. Human life. The extreme climate and lack of water make life in the desert difficult. In desert region, the extreme heat is occur here, so here is very difficult life to the people. As a result, this is one of the most thinly populated in the world. So due to scarcity of water, there is very few people live in this region. Most people live in cities located along the edge of the desert or around on the oasis. Only few people live in this region, and they live in the edge of the desert or near the oasis. The main occupation of people are raising animals, farming, transporting goods, trading, and mining. Their main occupation is raising animals. They raise their different types of animals like goat, sheep, camels, etc. And also engage in farming and transporting good, trading, and mining. Small groups of people continue to live in the interior of the desert. They lead nomadic lives, constantly moving from place to place in search of food and water for their livestock. In the interior of desert, the people who has not made their house called nomadic people. The nomadic people wandering to one place to another place for in search of water and food for their and their livestock. They do not have permanent house and live in tent from wool or animal skins. They do not live in the permanent house. They only live in the tent which are made by the wool or skins of animals. These nomadic people are known as Bedouin in Arabian Seas, Arabian Desert, and the Tuareg in Sahara. The nomadic people of Sahara is called Tuareg and Bedouin in Arabian Desert. The San people in Kalahari and Pinpui people live in Australia. Okay, San people from related Kalahari and Pinpui people live in Australia. Some other nomadic group who live in the desert, they are gatherer and hunters. Okay, farming is practiced near the source of water such as river Nile, Sahara, and Al Hasa oasis in the Arabian desert. Farming also practiced here near the Al Hasa oasis or Nile river in Sahara. In the main crops grown in date, palm, millet, fruit, and vegetables. These days, crops are also being grown in other part of the desert with the help of irrigation project. In desert region, the irrigation project also developed, so they able to grow different types of crop in other part of the desert. Trading is an important activity in the desert. Traders travel in caravans. In this region, the other activity is trading. They used to travel in caravan with the goods means for trade loaded on the long line of camels. Okay, they used to loaded the goods in a camel which are many in line. Salt, carpet, clothes, grain, and dates were important item of trade. They used to trade of the salt, carpet, clothes, grain, dates. Okay, with the introduction of faster means of transport like desert jeeps, van, and trucks, the important importance of caravan traders is sorely diminishing. Slowly, they were introduced with the help with the fast means of the transport like jeep and trucks and other vans. The caravan is slowly fading out. Okay, the Arabian desert has rich deposit of petroleum and natural gas, two important fuels. Sahara and the Australian desert have mineral like iron, copper, and borax, sodium, nitrate, and gems. Therefore, mining is an important activity in this region. So, in this region, there are various types of minor minerals found. So, mining is an important activity in this region like Sahara and Australian desert. In this video, we will explain in next video about the human life and other part of the lesson. Till then, goodbye.